Serenity Ridge is a wonderful vacation home in a prime location at Deep Creek Lake. The main level is filled with natural light. The rooms are united and inviting. Relax on the nice couches in front of the warm fire while you enjoy your favorite show. The kitchen is equipped and ready for you to whip up some delish food for the family. Serve meals at the breakfast bar, dining table, or step out on the deck and start the grill while peering out at lovely views. The main level master suite has direct access to the deck. The upper level has huge windows that let beautiful light through and provide amazing views. The upper master suite has everything you need to kick back and unwind comfortably. Upstairs, there is another bedroom, a full bathroom, and a loft where the kids can hang out and watch TV. After an awesome day of Deep Creek adventures, head to the lower level family room for more entertainment. Snuggle up and watch a movie or challenge your loved ones to an exciting game of ping pong. Downstairs, there is a bedroom and a bathroom. The lower level leads to the hot tub for an end-of-the-day soak. Walk down the hill and across the street to access your dock slip for lots of fun on the lake. You will be walking distance to Brenda's Pizzeria and other surrounding businesses. This central location puts you less than 5 miles from Wisp Resort, Deep Creek Lake State Park, and all of McHenry's best attractions. Call today and reserve Serenity Ridge and start looking forward to an incredible getaway.